Auto good fam, buckle up, because today we're talking about an electric SUV that doesn't just enter the segment, it challenges the very idea of what a flagship SUV should be. This is the 2025 BYD Tang L EV, a high-performance electric SUV engineered to replace gas giants, blending electrified power, refined comfort, and everyday usability into one confident package that stands toe-to-toe with traditional V8 and turbo SUV icons. Right from the first glance, the 2025 Tang L EV makes an impression that's more premium performance SUV than typical crossover. The design strikes a bold, athletic presence with a wide stance, a smoothly sculpted front fascia, and slim LED headlights that give the face a purposeful, almost predatory expression. At the rear, the taillights stretch across the hatch in a continuous light signature, giving it a modern and upscale look. This isn't a softened family SUV. The Tang L EV looks the part of something capable and confident. Underneath that assertive exterior lies a truly electrified heart. The Tang L EV uses a dual-motor all-wheel drive system that delivers instant torque to both axles, giving it thrilling responsiveness off the line and sure-footed traction in all conditions. In higher performance trims, total output eclipses 500 plus horsepower with corresponding torque figures that feel instant and commanding in everyday driving. This instant torque isn't just for straight-line fun, it transforms daily driving. Around town, the Tang L EV's smooth, silent propulsion makes every merge and overtaking move feel effortless and refined. On the highway, the electric powertrain holds its composure, with strong mid-range pull that keeps you confidently ahead of traffic without ever feeling strained. Electric range is a key part of the equation, too, thanks to a high-capacity battery pack and efficient power electronics. The 2025 BYD Tang L EV targets a real-world driving range of around 300 miles for 180 kilometers on a full charge depending on wheel size and conditions. On the road, the Tang L EV feels both planted and composed. Suspension tuning manages to balance comfort and control. It absorbs imperfections on rough pavement without feeling floaty and stays stable through sweeping curves without unsettling body motions. Step inside, and the interior reinforces the SUV's high-performance yet refined personality. The cabin is spacious, with generous headroom and legroom front and rear, supportive seating that feels comfortable during long journeys, and quality materials that give it a premium feel without drifting into overstatement. Now, let's talk about the part you care about, the price in USD. The 2025 BYD Tang L EV enters the market at a competitive price point for a high-performance electric SUV of this caliber. In US dollar terms, pricing typically starts around $55,000 to $60,000 USD for base versions that still offer strong performance and modern tech. Mid-range trims with more features, comfort upgrades, and advanced driver assists often sit in the $65,000 to $72,000 USD range, while fully loaded top trims with premium audio, luxury touches, and maximum range tech can push toward $80,000 USD. Still compelling when compared to premium gas and electric rivals with similar performance and feature sets. Auto good fam. The 2025 BYD Tang L EV isn't just another electric SUV. It's a high-performance machine built to replace gas giants, bringing muscular responsiveness, refined comfort, and real-world electric range into a cohesive package. It's bold, it's capable, and it's designed for drivers who want electric performance without compromise, not just efficiency statistics.